Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over into the settings. Now in those settings, we're gonna go and adjust our brightness. So let's go over to the display, it's right up here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust it just by sliding our finger. So as you guys can see here, you guys can choose it. Now if I lower it, then the screen will flicker because of the camera, but normally it doesn't. Now we want to make sure that we disable adaptive brightness, because once I turn this on, it boosts up our brightness, and it's because of the automatic brightness setting. So we don't want it. We want to turn it off and adjust our brightness to our liking. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store. Now here in the Play Store, what we're going to do is we're going to go to search and search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. This is the first app. We need to download it. It has 100k plus downloads and 4.4 stars out of 801 reviews. We're going to click install here, and it's only 1.5 megabytes, so it should install instantly. Let's go over, click open, and first permission we need to grant is to change the system settings so it can adjust our brightness. Now the second one is the accessibility, so whenever we rotate our screen or enable an overlay, let's say a keyboard, then it also has to change the brightness. So that's why we need to click installed apps here. Now screen dimmer, and press right here, click allow. And let's go over and the last one is to grant notifications. So now we're gonna enable the service. As you guys can see, it already works. I'm gonna lower it right here, and the only notification we are getting is from this status bar right here. As you guys can see, we can of course adjust it just by tapping, and if we don't want to use it anymore, we just tap here. But remember to change your brightness afterwards if it's just too low or too high. As a last resort here, what we're going to do is check for software updates. So we're going to go over to the settings. Now in those settings, we want to scroll a bit down until we see software update. Here we're going to click download and install, and now it's checking for updates. All we need is Wi-Fi for it, and my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. As you guys can see, the One UI 8.0 and the Android version 16. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.